These 4 AAA batteries. Several ways to hang it. There's 4 hole slides on the back here. There's a triangular thing you could just hang it from a nail or a hook. And there's a keyhole slot there. Good speaker on it. You can pretty clearly hear what's going on. I don't know what that one is. That's the old lurch one. So I like this one over the other models because it's very easy to see where the kids have to push. Some of those other ones with the spiders and stuff on them, it's just too busy in the front and the kid doesn't know where to push. This one I really like. It's about perfect. It's very loud. 3 batteries. I mean, you can't beat it.